Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending with the time you are watching. So today is another day in the village. As you can see, I'm here in the village, and today we are making a pavement along the walls of the house so that we can reduce water getting in. Remember, this is a semi-permanent house, so we are going round. I'm having fundis around. You can see these are the bricks we are going to use, and they have been putting the mark around. You can see as the cement they have used, they have already mixed with sand, so it's all through the house. Here at the door we've gone deeper because we want to increase the level so that when it rains, water doesn't splash inside the house. As you can see, we've gone along. These are the bricks that are going to be used, of which I will show you the end products, but this is how it's looking like. Quite messy, but this is the life here in the village. Where there's construction, it's always messy. You can see around, they have put in every corner how it's going to be used. You see, I will show you the end products. This is how it's going to be done. These bricks are going to be laid as the foundation all through. You can see this one, and these bricks is 6 shillings each. These ones 6 shillings each. As you've seen, so they are, as you've seen, it is taking shape.